sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
All right, FuzzPie Guy here. I'm going to show you how to install the rtl-sdr software and be able to listen to analog frequencies using a RTL dongle. We're going to be able to listen to it by just using the terminal and obviously a pair of speakers, whatever you may be using. Now, I'm using a Raspberry Pi for this, so we need to make sure we have a few packages already installed. Then we can clone the directory here. And I'll throw a link in the description for all this information. So we can, after we clone it, we can cd into the directory. Then we need to make a build directory. Then we'll cd into that guy. After that, we're going to run a cmake command. Then we can make it. Then we'll install it. Then we'll copy the rules and do a blacklist. Then we'll just reboot the Pi for everything to take effect. Then we should be ready to go. Alright, so now that that's done, let's go ahead and install Then what we can do is copy it. Then we'll do the following command there. Then we need to make sure we blacklist some things like such. Then we can just do a Control X, Y, and enter to save. Then we're going to go ahead and do this reboot. And I got the dongle plugged in, and I'll be back. Alright, so now I'm logged back in here, and now we're going to use the rtl-fm command. And I'll throw a couple examples on my page, on my website for this, so it'll give you a start. But, for example, if you want to run AM to listen to aircraft, as you can see here, we're running the rtl-fm AM, the frequency. Now, like I said, you can adjust the frequency in the step here. This is the gain of the dongle. Then we're going to be playing it back. And with this setup here like this is going to scan everything in between these two frequencies. So if we just hit enter, as you could maybe hear, it might be low. You can hear some static. Now you can play with the static setting if you want, that we won't get no static. You can play with the squelch a little bit by changing this guy here. So if we change this to 80, alright, we can still hear it. So we went from 280 to 80. Alright, so I have it set on 480 right now, and it's now I'm not able to hear it. It comes and goes a little bit. But this is something you're going to have to just mess with, depending on your gain and obviously how good are you receiving everything and all that. But anyway, let's move on. So if we want to listen to multiple frequencies, let me turn the volume down. We'll just mute it there. If you want to listen to multiple frequencies, you can put in however many you want, basically. Just like this. Then, like I said, you might have to adjust the gain in your squelch and whatnot. But now we are listening to FM. So, and there's that. So, like I said, I'll throw a couple examples on my page there to get you started. But hopefully this kind of helps you out with getting started with RTL-FM and being able to listen to analog frequencies. Pretty simple. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another one.